Hi, I am Ibrahim, and this is our weekly tutorial for beginners in Adobe After Effects. In this video, I will teach you how to use the audio waveform effect. The audio waveform is a visual representation of a sound wave, showing how the amplitude or the volume of the sound changes over time. To start, go to the Windows panel, then find Composition, then select New Composition. Then click OK. Now, find Layer in the Windows panel. Then select New, then select Solid. Always adjust your ratio to fit. By doing this, you can see the composition monitor as a whole, and you can freely adjust the subject that you will put in. Next, go to File in Windows panel. Select Import, then select any song that you want to use on our effect. As you can see, the song I import appeared in the project panel. What you will going to do next is to drag and drop the music to your timeline panel. Put it right below the white solid layer. Now, go to the Effects and Presets panel, select Effects and Presets, select Generate and find Audio Waveform. Drag and drop the audio waveform to the composition monitor. Now you're all set! In the Effect Controls, Audio Layer is where you can change the audio to the song you imported earlier. As you can see, the sound wave starts to dance when we play it. The sound wave will not move if there is no audio input. There are also 3 models of sound wave that you can find in display options. Let's test analog dots. You barely see dots, but if we adjust the thickness, then now we can see it. Same for the digital. In the waveform options, you can adjust the movement of the sound wave, whether you like it tends to the left or right. You can also change the color of the wave. Congratulations! Now you learned the basic of audio waveform in Adobe After Effects. That would be all, and see you next week!